B2.
Okay, Gavin. Okay, good point of tension. Nice height of the hands. Yeah, one comment I'd like to make right there. I like your prep as far as the legato-ness, and it's very clear. But we want to try to bring it in just a little bit closer to center body, and then almost like the focal point type of conducting for the prep, because you want that motion so that the group knows, that you're starting. Sometimes if you just kind of do a small one right there where you're holding the baton, they won't come in with you. Nice legato pattern. Good cue. Good eye contact. Very good legato pattern. Good crescendo. Excellent. Nice size of the pattern to hold the forte. Yeah, very good job. Good control of the left hand. You have a lot of skills as far as making the hands do two different things. Yeah, excellent cutoff. Really, really nice job today, Gavin.